Imagine a jet engine so small it could fit in the palm of your hands, yet powerful enough to propel next-generation combat drones through the skies at blistering speeds. Welcome to the future of aerial warfare, the GEK 1500. Developed by GE Aerospace in collaboration with Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, this tiny turbofan is rewriting the rulebook on unmanned propulsion systems. Announced in mid 2024 and now gaining traction in 2025, this US-born innovation is a compact, high-performance engine capable of delivering up to 1,500 pounds of thrust. That's right, in a form factor specifically engineered to power reusable unmanned combat aircraft and collaborative combat aircraft, or CCAs. At a time when the US Department of Defense is investing heavily in drone technologies, the GEK 1500 arrives not just as a piece of machinery but as a strategic leap forward. Amy Gowder, President and CEO of Defense and Systems at GE Aerospace, highlighted the significance of formalizing this partnership. The mission is to develop propulsion systems that are not only high performing but also cost efficient and adaptable to a variety of unmanned platforms. And as Steve Russell from GE's Edison Works explained, the GEK 1500 isn't just another small engine, it's a reusable powerhouse designed with affordability in mind without compromising on capability. Now, here's what makes it truly groundbreaking. Unlike traditional expendable turbojets used in many UAVs today, the GEK 1500 offers enhanced performance while embracing a modular, low-cost manufacturing approach. This means it can be scaled up for mass production without becoming financially unviable, a key feature for military planners seeking both efficiency and agility in the skies. Behind this innovation is Kratos' two-decade-long legacy in building compact, cost-effective propulsion for missiles and drones. When you combine that expertise with GE Aerospace's century of jet engine mastery and industrial-scale manufacturing power, you get a solution that can bridge the gap between concept and battlefield deployment. And it's not just theory. Prototype demonstrations are already on the roadmap. The GEK 1500 and its sibling, the GEK 800, are being developed under a clear goal: to support autonomous surveillance aircraft, contested environment combat drones, and cutting-edge CCAs that will fly missions without endangering human pilots. Historically, small jet engines have always come with trade-offs: high cost, limited lifespan, or lackluster performance. The GEK 1500 breaks that cycle. It inherits a decade of R&D bolstered by funding and vision from programs like the Air Force Research Laboratory's Advanced Turbine Technologies for Affordable Mission Capability, and now we're witnessing the payoff. This engine isn't just a marvel of engineering, it's a signal of where warfare, surveillance, and aerospace design are heading: lighter, smarter, reusable, and modular. So what do you think about the GEK 1500? Could this tiny engine be the heart of tomorrow's autonomous air fleets? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into emerging aerospace tech, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more stories at the edge of innovation, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the future of flight.